Ms. Tikisha Bhatia, Regional Business Manager, Commercial Business, Acer, to speak on the topic Breaking Barriers Between People and Technology.
Good afternoon, namaskar, and thank you for having us here. Acer हमेशा से बैंकिंग में था, but I think this association has not been into the depth, या शायद वो गहराई तक नहीं गया जिस हिसाब से जाना चाहिए था. So I think जहाँ से prominent dignitaries ने स्टेज पे दो तीन चीज़ों की बहुत अच्छे से बात बाहर निकाली कि what are actual issues, why this never happened, क्यों urban banking did not. Actually अभी मोदी जी ने जो concept चलाया ना आत्मनिर्भर भारत, I think वो आप लोगों से प्रेरित है. You were the first people who actually got financial inclusion in place. I think all of you should clap for yourself. अगर वो one town, one place, one bank वाला concept आप लोगों ने generate नहीं किया होता, तो वो ना तो वो जनधन योजना होती, ना तो वो कहानी होती, ना तो बैंकिंग समझते. So I think the pioneers of banking along with RBI, CBIs, SBI of the world, sir, all of you should clap for yourself for making us be on this platform. A huge round of applause for all of you. Coming to Acer. So Acer is a company which has been founded since very long. We'll definitely cover it and how it can help the issues which are there in cultural current banking environment is what we will go through in this small and presentation. We will also be very happy in case if we can share with you offline also. अगर हम उसके बाद भी बात करके अगर कोई भी हमारे तरीके से help कर सके, we will be very eagerly ready to do so. So Acer for Business. This is what we are actually trying to cover in this whole part. So Acer as and such is a IT hardware partner. So hardware अगर मैं simple terms में बता दूँ तो इससे पहले मेरे जितने दोस्तों ने presentation किया, उन्होंने software या product related या artificial intelligence related आपको presentation दिया. We are saying, so for example अगर उसको हम आत्मा लेते हैं, तो ये शरीर है. वो सारी चीज़ चलाने के लिए आपको जो इंटरफेस चाहिए is me or my counterparts in this industry is what we are going to offer you. And what we can offer which can ease your stuff, आपका आपके काम को सहूलियत दे सके, वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है. You wish how can we make it easy? We'll try to give you that interface. I think some respected dignitary mentioned कि एक बैंकर शायद एक इंजीनियर बैंकर हो जाएगा बट बैंकर इंजीनियर नहीं होता. So my son is in engineering और उसके क्लास के फर्स्ट दिन पे he was told that इंडिया में इंजीनियर बनने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है. You just have to get born. इंडिया में आज आई थिंक 9 महीने का बच्चा भी यूट्यूब प्ले करके अपनी नर्सरी राइम्स खुद सुन सकता है. सो आई थिंक ऑल दी बैंकर्स हियर आर वेरी वेल वर्स्ड विद द इंटरफेस, बट वो बैंकिंग सिस्टम में कैसे उसका निरूपण किया जाए, वो प्रक्रिया कैसे प्रस्थापित की जाए, इज समवेयर वेयर वी माइट बी हैविंग अ गैप. सो वी आर हियर सर टू मेक दैट प्रोसेस ईजी फॉर यू. आपको पता है आप लोगों को क्या चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर डिपॉजिट होता है तो वो आपके बैलेंस में पॉसिबली 3 सेकेंड 5 सेकेंड में दिखना चाहिए. शायद आपके पास वो सॉफ्टवेयर है. वी विल लाइक टू गिव यू दैट इंटरफेस दैट मेक्स इट ईजी फॉर यू, approachable for you, understandable for you. So this is what we are trying to cover in this entire presentation. This is actually, sirs, what we spoke. What is our mission? हम इंसान और टेक्नोलॉजी के बीच में जो डिफरेंस आता है ना, वो क्या है, एक परिक्षेप्य है, दिट्स अ पर्सपेक्टिव. हम ब्रेक करके उसे आसान बनाना चाहते हैं, रेगुलर यूजेज में लाना चाहते हैं. एक टाइम पे माइक्रोवेव ओवन वाज अ पर्सपेक्टिव, आज डेली नीड हो गया. मोबाइल फोन वाज अ प्रिविलेज, आज डेली नीड हो गया. आपका एजुकेशन सिस्टम मोबाइल से चलता है. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म फैक्टर्स, डिफरेंट वेज, डिफरेंट प्रोसेसिंग पार्ट्स अपनी अलग अलग शक्ति से बैंकिंग के एनवायरमेंट में कैसे सम्मिलित हो सकता है, हम उस पर बात करेंगे. सो दिस इज आवर मिशन सर, ब्रेकिंग बैरियर्स बिटवीन पीपल एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Acer कहाँ से आया? So before actually getting into that samabandh where we understand you and you understand us, a slight idea on what Acer is all about. Acer is a Taiwanese company. We are national subsidiary of Acer India. I think we are oldest among the lot. Even in India, we are the oldest. Our counterparts have come later. And these are the timelines as we have grown. Currently, we are not only in IT hardware, we are also having our two tiger companies, which is Acer Pure, which is also into consumer durables. हमारे पास fans, circulating fans. We are into sanitizers. We are also into hand sanitizers, sorry, vacuum cleaners. Some of our products are displayed on our stall. वी ऑल्सो हैव अनदर टाइगर कंपनी विच इज एसर अल्टॉस, जिसमें आप सर्वर वर्क स्टेशन वो सारे सोल्यूशंस भी देख सकते हो. एंड ऑब्वियसली एसर इंडिया इंक, आई थिंक अमंग ऑल दी हार्डवेयर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स वी आर द ओनली वन जो आपको 8 इंच से 75 इंच 85 इंच का सोल्यूशन दे सकता है. 8 इंच मतलब टैबलेट, उसके ऊपर लैपटॉप्स, उसके ऊपर डेस्कटॉप्स, उसके ऊपर प्रोजेक्टर्स, उसके ऊपर IFPs. सो दिस इज एंटायर रेंज ऑफ सोल्यूशंस जो आपकी कन्वीनियंस, आपकी सहूलियत के लिए, आपके बैंकिंग एनवायरनमेंट में चाहिए. एसर इज देयर टू गिव यू अ सोल्यूशन. So again, as I mentioned, lifestyle devices, e-bikes, sparking systems, eco-friendly devices, device life cycle management, this is what Acer has created as an environment. Actually क्या है, मतलब what is technology's main objective? अगर हम बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी बोलते हैं ना, उसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? एम्पावरमेंट. आप कल जो काम कर रहे हो उसे आज का आपका काम बेहतर करना, सहूलियत भरा करना. अगर वही टेक्नोलॉजी आपको कंफ्यूज करती है, वही टेक्नोलॉजी आपके लिए 6 महीने में ऑब्सोलीट हो जाती है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सर, ऑल ऑफ अस आर इंडियंस एट हार्ट, राइट? अगर रिपेयर से चलता है तो हम रिप्लेस नहीं करते, और जब तक वो मर नहीं जाता तब तक नया नहीं लाते. बिकॉज वैल्यू फॉर मनी इज द बेसिक सस्टेनेबिलिटी मोटो, इज बेसिक थिंग विच अ इंडियन एनवायरमेंट रिक्वायर्स. आई थिंक दैट वाज वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस रेज्ड फ्रॉम दिस स्टेज कि भाई तुम्हारी टेक्नोलॉजी ठीक है, आज कुछ आज दे देते हो, कुछ हमें बेच देते हो, 3 साल के बाद वो ऑब्सोलीट हो जाती है, ना इसके साथ चलती है ना उसके साथ चलती है. बैंक कैन नॉट रिलीज फंड्स टू इट. सर देयर आर टेक्नोलॉजीज पॉसिबली लेटेस्ट नहीं होगी बट टाइम टेस्टेड होगी. So there are solutions. Only thing I think we had this communication barrier between technology providers, शायद से interface providers and the banking crowd here, banking ecosystem here. We request you to get into a communication. This can definitely be sorted. This is my request to all of you. हमारा एक मोटो है सर, you wish, हमें ये काम करना है, we pledge to solve it. ये करेंगे, जरूर होगा. Just to understand us better, Acer, what is Acer India? We'll just run through a few facts and figures. Last year, we were able to achieve the highest ever revenue. So we are a 5,000 crore company today, obviously growing more. We were able to also get well into a consumer segment. In education, so जो भारत सरकार की national education policy है, in that we were able to contribute more. Just to understand, because आपका भी education loans जाता होगा, आपके भी funded education centers होंगे. We are number 1 in the education portfolio today in India. Number 1 in this interactive flat panels. You might just see that this is also used as a, it has become one in many solution. मतलब you can really use it for your boardroom solutions, you can use it for your training centers, you can use it for interactive things. It is an Android based system. In detail we can explain you there where it has a practical applicability. In gaming notebooks which are also used at आजकल बच्चे उसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Acer is number 1 with their Predator and Nitro series of notebooks. In government e-marketplace, we were able to sell highest among all our competition in the segments offered by the GEM. So these are, I think, 6 things which I could figure out here. Next time when I come to this place again, I think I should be only one selling in cooperative banks. So I request your support to do that. Highest presence in cooperative banks. I think with your support, I will be achieved next time when I come on this podium. Why Acer for business? What does Acer offer differently is what we would like to cover in this slides. This is 5 things that I think we are different. See, banking ho या कोई भी industry हो, you might not say you are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. उससे कोई मतलब नहीं होता. आप अलग होना चाहिए. Why you should be different? Because you should understand your customer and give a relatable solution. मेरा solution आपको make fix करके आपके अंदर नहीं डालना है, वो relatable होना चाहिए. So these are 5 points where we can give you a value add. First, ESG, मतलब आजकल कार्बन क्रेडिट्स की हम बात करते हैं, कार्बन फुटप्रिंट की बात करते हैं. So this is environment sustainability governance. जहाँ एसर के पास काफ़ी सारी प्रोडक्ट्स है, उसका एंटायर प्रोसेस, कंपनी की इवन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पॉलिसी इज इन लाइन विद द एनवायरमेंट रिक्वायर्ड. बाय 2028 or 2030, if I'm right with my data, we want to be carbon free company. So this is what we can offer as an environment to the entire banking ecosystem. Professional portfolio. I think we are the most agile company. शायद हम लोग शाई है तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट में इतने दिखते नहीं होंगे, बट वी आर एजिलिटी कैन नॉट बी मैच्ड. वी विल कम बैक टू आवर केस स्टडीज जहां हम ये चीज आपको बता सकते हैं, एंड आवर पोर्टफोलियो विल कवर इट लॉट. Ecosystem of partners. When you say one town, one bank, I think 632 districts in India, around 10,000, 15,000 pin codes. I can proudly say, from Northeast to Rajasthan, from Leh Ladakh to Kanyakumari, we are present, sir, with our partner network, with our complete service support system. You name it, we have it. I think largest, if Northeast mein, where you have to still travel by road-based transport, it is 350 kilometers distance from my service center, and that is the largest distance. So that presence Acer has to support you and to instill the confidence. आप जहाँ भी होंगे, we will be able to provide that service on site. This is what we are saying. Again, service programs. And nowadays, obviously, bankers are not going for capex model. They might go for opex model. अगर ये आपको as a service भी चाहिए device, that can be provided in Acer ecosystem. This is 5 ways I think I can be distinguished in providing you an interface for your solutions. Again, this is how we will be able to take care of the carbon credits, is what we wanted to say is like product design, governance, and the programs, which can help in controlling the carbon generation on the globe. Our portfolio, sir. Make in India is the core of Acer's creation. I think we were the first company to come out with the rollout with the notebook in India. Like आपको पता ही होगा, you are class 1, आपका X percentage चाहिए, आप class 2 हो या आप made in India कर रहे हो. And obviously this initiative is not to counter, या not to cover the supply required in India. Government is looking for more exports. Acer has developed its plans for all the product category. Sirs and ma'am, we have desktops made in India. We have laptops made in India. We have all-in-ones made in India. So whatever required, Atmanirbhar Bharat को शायद हमने आत्मसात कर लिया है. So all the product category that you would see here definitely is where tablets, all-in-one, screens, projectors, desktops, laptops, everything, including server, workstations, everything, we are Atmanirbhar Bharat. And this entire supply is covered throughout India through our channel network. Where are we in this banking industry? So where is Acer already present here is what we are trying to cover here. We are present everywhere, sir. We have supplied in the private sector, public sector, cooperative banks, scheduled cooperative banks. This is where we are, sir. So what is our journey of banking? How everybody speaks about digital banking. तो क्या किया digital banking ने? Branch banking को completely shift कर दिया. उसने एक FPP मॉडल लेके आया जिसमें बैंक्स हो गई फेसलेस, बैंक हो गई पेपरलेस, बैंक हो गई प्लेसलेस. बैंकिंग कहीं से भी होने लगा. बैंक की शक्ल, बैंक की ब्रांच देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, पेपर्स की जरूरत नहीं है. सेम वे वी ग्रेजुएटेड. जो हम ब्रांच बैंकिंग से, जो हम पार्शियल ब्रांच ऑटोमेशन करते थे, उससे हम कोर बैंकिंग सिस्टम, मोबाइल बैंकिंग, टैब बैंकिंग, distant banking, everything is supported by Acer India devices. Also in the terms of setting up a data center, we will be able to support from Acer hardware. This is our transition, sir, along with you, and we'd like to move forward on this. Just for the acknowledgement, Acer has been #1 IT hardware vendor in Indian PSU arena since 2000. Till date, मतलब 25 years से we have 24 years से we have been serving the banking industry. This is a cluster where शायद हम हैं but बहुत scattered है. We would like to have a consolidated footprints here. Request your support. Again, why it is one-stop solution for cooperative banks? 25 industries of understanding a banking industry. Nationwide network of service providers, which I've already covered. Clientele of largest PSU banks in India. And this can be verified with all the logos that we are talking about here. Experience of working with largest private banks in here, where I think some of the banks we have relationship as old as 12 years. Largest rate of products with special focus on Make in India. So this is where Acer can definitely contribute, and we would love to get in discussion with all of you. how that contribution can be more effective. And we always say, sir, best is yet to come. Looking forward this relationship as the best, which is yet to come. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. And yes, the best is always yet to come. Here's this token of appreciation from our side to Ms. Jikisha Bhatia.